love me that day, but do is pass you. I want money, say me no say train or two.
It is gorgeous. So people, so they are Vegas, Nevada, Las Vegas, and we decided to go to the Hoover Dam. And we're just here, we're chilling, we're doing it. We're gonna go up them steps right now. Here's Alia.
We're done.
Kimali say I'm tired from going one flight of stairs. Alia reached 2 flights of stairs and she says she reached, she done. She's also done. I'm tired. Tamika there?
Me ready.
Say Tado there? I'm saying foot at him. But we still got. Only problem I have with this is place is beautiful. Only problem I have is I should have brought the kids. Because this is beautiful. No, this is beautiful. Only problem I have with this is you should have been the picture. But this is pretty. Yeah, this place is nice.
Hey guys, we're in.
People, I don't know if the phone give this place any justice, but the place is magnificent.
Tamika, birthday girl. How is it?
I'm having
Could you give me an interview right now?
My God, I can't believe that. You know how many movies I watch?
Okay.
I see them on that bridge fighting.
Okay.
And just imagine that I'm here, live
In flesh.
color.
Yes.
Oh my God, somebody please pinch me.
I'll pinch you.
It's for real?
Yes.
Can't believe.
I'm happy that you're happy. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Hey.
I know
Hey.
I can lose
So
control,
but I think I like it. Yeah. Kimali, do you like it?
I love it.
Could you give me an interview, please, sir?
You know, this is my first time here at the Nevada Hoover Dam in
Okay.
Las Vegas.
That's good.
And it's my birthday. And my birthday and my anniversary.
Okay, happy
but
birthday,
one
happy
birthday is my
anniversary.
Yeah, come here now, brother.
Okay.
Yeah, the one thing with you,
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Happy anniversary, guys.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but I love the scenery.
Yeah.
I love the people, the excitement. You know.
How you feel about being on this bridge next to the street with all these heavy vehicles?
I mean, if there was supposed to be some sort of freak accident like an earthquake or something.
Please don't say that.
We're not thinking about that right now.
We rebuke that
in the name of
Jesus.
May I run the left?
Sir. Hey, hey, sir. Are you named Mario? Are you Mario? Can you give me an interview, please?
Okay, yes. What do you want to know?
How you feel about being here on this beautiful? You know, I don't even know what to say. This is crazy.
You know, it's nice being here. I'm saying it's always a dream of mine to come to the Hoover Dam.
Okay.
And I'm here. It's surreal. I will tell you this. The feeling is so fast. Like, you're so high up. You know that feeling you get when you're high up and you want to jump?
That's what you're feeling right now? Would you like to talk to someone?
I don't get that feeling.
I can give you a number where you can talk to someone, okay?
No, I don't get that feeling. That's what I'm saying. I don't feel like... I feel very
You feel safe?
No, I don't feel really safe. I feel like I'm so far up right now.
Okay, so you're saying that you don't feel safe on this bridge next to this street with a lot of heavy vehicles?
You see, them have the truck them pass and you feel like a little vibration. Yeah.
Like now?
Your foot, rough bridging. Yeah. So.
Oh, look. Yeah. There we go. There's one more. So anyway,
but it's magnificent though. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Splendid.
It's beautiful.
Words can't even explain. It's a nice feeling. It's a definite experience.
All right. Thank you so much for your interview, Mario. You're Mario again, right, Mario?
Yes.
Thank you so much for the interview. And I'd love to see you again sometime in the near future. All right. Oh, yeah.
On the dam. Now the water is showing on the dam there.
The whole of this.
All of this side down.
I tell you, the whole of that vast place. Watch out.
Mario,
Go and tunnel there right there, so look.
but Mario, all I know, you know, she said the water cover up that.
Oh, all this, so look at here, look at it get high too.
But if you get that,
People, I never know that Nevada was so beautiful. I didn't know. None of this. This place up here. See the picture master, yeah? People.
what up? Listen, people.
Everywhere she go, she have to stop and take a picture.
Let me tell you why. You gotta capture every moment. These are all memories. So you see later down, you gonna hear them say, "Oh, this," or if we have a conversation, I'm say, "Remember who did this?" Them like, "No, they don't remember."
People, bro, she's right. But if you want to take a picture of one rock, and then we'll go up there to the same rock, and take another picture of the same rock. And
Look at
three
no,
rock,
no, no.
four
Look,
rock,
hold on.
same rock.
No, hold on.
How much picture we take of the one rock?
Hold on. You see the rock right there, so turn the
I
camera.
want my rock.
No, turn the camera. People, you see that red rock there? That one right there. Yeah. This is just different angle.
Yes, sir. Yes. I show one angle on the side of the rock over there, so then the middle, then the other end, then over there. So it's just, the rock is big. It's a big rock, but this guarantees the same rock.
You just hate it, man. Just hate it. You just have to capture every angle of the rock. And even the openness right there. So look, turn it on. Look at that. Look at over there, some people. Actually, the camera now is just.
The camera now is just this person. Gotta go see it. It's where the rock. Red Rock here. In Las Vegas, I don't know something last thing and kill plane and everything. But
Red Rock Canyon National Park.
it have use differently. This is somewhere when I bring my kids. I'm not like.
Mario, you need to get this. Look at this. It says here, the sandstone story. Look at that. A land of great dons. So you see, this is good information.
180 million years.
Wow. Wow.
Our people that get cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
I'm gonna take cold for picture.
You sure over there?
Yeah, man. Yep. It's all ice. Ice on the mountain. Wow.
Ice cap mountain, guys. It's like the mountain kissing the sky, the clouds and everything up there. That's amazing.
Wow.
So people, we're heading into the mountains. The mountain, I don't know how far up we're gonna go, but we can already feel the temperature getting colder. And I guess no, that's it. It's done.
That's it?
We're not going nowhere. I guess if you gotta go up there, you gotta go hiking. But
Yeah.
that's beautiful there, guys.
Willow Spring.
Willow Spring, that up, so?
No, that's not.
You have to have a four-way.
Or you can sit down.
Yeah, man, because water, I say spring and melting now.
Yeah.
So water after.
People, I just saw something very interesting. Hopefully my camera can pick it up. You saw it? You see it? Tell me when you guys see it. Oh, camera doing justice, man. You see that, guys? Do you see it? Tell me what that is. It's a beautiful waterfall. That is it. This is a nice water. Nice, clean. Look. This is in the middle of the mountain, guys. We find a little water. A little waterfall. Over there. Beautiful. Now, night out on the town at the V Theater. You see it? Baby, let me spoil you. Give you everything you like.
Allows you right here, right?
This is pretty, guys. The beautiful Venetian Mall. This is wonderful. Wonderful.
Alright, let's go. We have